So to fix this problem, go straight to your phone notification bar and try to tap on the settings over here, which is close to your profile. So after that, you're going to be in your settings. So tap on apps and notification. After tapping on apps and notification, tap on the see all apps. So after tapping on the see all apps, you're going to see all your apps listed alphabetically after loading. So after loading, what you have to do is to try to search for the Boomplay app. Then you tap on it to open it when you find it. Now tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. After that, go back and tap on storage and cache, and tap on the clear cache. Now go back and tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. Now, after doing all this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. Tap on the Google Play Store and tap on the Boomplay app when you search for it. So after that, what you have to do is to just update the Boomplay app, and this problem is going to be fixed. So after updating it, what you have to do is to restart your device. So now tap on restart or reboot after tapping on the power button for some while. So tap on OK to accept to get your device reboot or restart. After accepting it, the problem is going to be fixed successfully. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.